Very good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you a grammatical topic, and the topic name is narration or reported speech. So let me tell you first what narration or what reported speech is. The words spoken by a person can be reported into two ways. किसी भी व्यक्ति द्वारा बोले गए शब्दों को हम दो प्रकार से व्यक्त कर सकते हैं. First one is direct speech. We may quote the words actually used by the speaker is called direct speech or direct narration. यानी किसी भी प्रकार के शब्दों को जैसे स्पीकर ने बोला है एज इट इज़ वैसा का वैसा बोलना डायरेक्ट स्पीच कहलाता है. एंड व्हाट इज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच? वी मे रिपोर्ट his speech in the form of a narrative is called indirect speech or indirect narration. यदि हम उन शब्दों को अपने वर्ड्स में बोलें तो उसे इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन या इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपको स्कूल में फ़ीस के लिए बोला जाता है. आपको प्रिंसिपल मैम ने बोला कि टुमारो यू हैव टू ब्रिंग योर फ़ी, कि कल आपको अपनी फ़ीस लेकर के आनी है. तो आप अपने फादर को जा कर के ये थोड़ी बोलेंगे कि कल आपको अपनी फ़ीस लेकर के आनी है. आप अपने फादर को ये बोलते हैं कि मैम ने बोला है कि कल आपको अपनी फ़ीस लेकर आनी है. तो जो प्रिंसिपल मैम ने आपको बोला वो डायरेक्ट स्पीच, और जो आपने प्रिंसिपल मैम के वर्ड्स को अपने वर्ड्स में कन्वर्ट करके अपने पेरेंट्स तक पहुंचाया वो इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. नाउ लेट्स टॉक टू सम इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. Ram said to Shyam, I am good here. So dear student, what is Ram? Ram is subject here, said to is verb here, and Shyam is object. So Ram subject, said to verb, Shyam object, and Ram said to Shyam ये complete हो जाएगा reporting verb. This is comma, inverted comma, begin. I am good here. I am good here is reported speech and its inverted comma close. Now let's start with some assertive sentence. Dear students, for assertive sentences I have already sent some rules regarding narration in group. So let's start now. V1 means verb first will change into V2. For example, Rahul said to Sohan, comma, inverted comma, begin, I need your help, full stop, inverted comma, close. What is Rahul here? Rahul is subject, so it remains same. Then said to. Said to will change into told. Said to will change into told. So Rahul told Sohan is an object. Inverted comma will change into that. In assertive sentences or in simple sentences, inverted commas will always change in that. When I is first person pronoun and according to SON by 1, 2, 3 rule, first person according to subject, third person according to object, second person according to object, and third person no change. So I is first person will change according to subject, and subject is Rahul, which is male. Then he. Need, first form of verb, and first form of verb will change into second form. He needed, second form of need is needed. Your is second person will change into object. Object is Sohan, so his, and help, full stop. Next sentence is, if we have modal plus first form of verb. Modal plus first form of verb will change into past form of modal plus verb first. For example, Rekha said to Sunita, you can trust me. You can trust me. So Rekha is subject, remains same. Said to into told. Sunita object remains same. Inverted comma will change into that. You is second person and second person changes according to object and object is Sunita, female, so she. Can, past of can is could. She could, and first form of trust is trust. Me is first person and first person will change according to subject. Subject is Rekha, so her. Next thing is, if we have second form will change into had plus verb third. For example, if we have Rajiv said to Sumit, I saw a snake last night. So Rajiv is subject, remains same. Said to into told. Sumit object will remain same. Inverted comma into that. I is first person according to Rajiv. Rajiv is male, so he, and saw is second form of verb. Had third. Had seen a snake. Now we have an adverb last night. Last night will change into the previous night. Okay. Now if we have is, am, are. Is, am, are will change into was, were. For example, he said, comma, inverted comma begin, I am good here. I am good here. So dear students, he is subject, said remains same, because if the reporting verb has no object, it does not चेंज. अगर रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब में कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं हो तो वो चेंज नहीं होता. सैड दैट. आई इज फर्स्ट पर्सन अकॉर्डिंग टू ही. देन ही इज एम आर इन टू वॉज वर. ही के साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं? वॉज गुड. हेयर विल चेंज इन टू देयर एंड फुल स्टॉप. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इफ वी हैव वॉज वर, वॉज वर चेंज होता है बेटा हैड बीन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी सैड आई वॉज बिजी. शी सैड दैट. आई इज फर्स्ट पर्सन, changes according to subject, so she was into had been. She had been busy. If we have has have will change into had. She said to Rakesh, I have seen this movie. So she told Rakesh that she had seen this into that movie. I hope you have understood what I wanted to teach you. So thank you so much for watching this video. In my next video, I'll tell you about narration of interrogative sentences and imperative sentences. Thank you so much.